Hey everyone, and welcome back to this class, Deep Reinforcement Learning, Deep Learning in Python, Part 7. In this lecture, we are going to talk about how to save a video of your agent playing an episode. This is really important because it allows you to watch the agent play and see what it has learned through human eyes. When we talk about states, actions, and rewards, things are really abstract. This is actually not a bad thing, because it gives us a very powerful framework for building reinforcement learning agents. But it leaves some unanswered questions. Suppose an agent learns to play a video game and can achieve a good high score. You might be curious if the agent has learned to play the video game like a human would, or maybe it does even better. Maybe it uses some unconventional moves that a human would probably not do. These are the things we would like to know. The main changes we'll need to make are as follows. We first need to import the wrappers module from Gym. Then we need to wrap the environment with a monitor object. Notice how we have to give the monitor a directory to save the video in. Other than those two steps, that's it. Notice we're not calling the render function, but the render window will show up anyway and show us a video of the agent playing the episode. Because there aren't too many changes, I'm not going to walk you through the code. Basically, what we've done is added a couple lines to randomsearch.py. The relevant file in the course repo is saveavideo.py in the cartpole subfolder. Let's run this and see what we get.